символічне, на мою думку, символічне значення, які показують, що
A staunch ally of Kyiv, Poland, has been one of Ukraine's biggest military supporters since the Russian invasion. Both countries remember being under the thumb of Moscow, which is why it is clear that Warsaw has gone to great lengths to aid its neighbors in Kyiv. Last week, Poland transferred a batch of PT-91 Twardy main battle tanks. Based on the Soviet-designed T-72, the PT-91 first entered service in 1995. It featured enhanced indigenously developed Arawa explosive reactive armor blocks, which improved the tank's protection by 30 to 70% depending on the type of ammunition used. In addition, the Twardy, Polish for hard, is armed with a 125mm main gun, similar to the main armament of the T-72. Also, like the Soviet-made tank, it is fitted with an autoloader, but with a new gun stabilization system and improved fire control. Secondary armament consists of a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a roof-mounted 12.7mm 50 caliber machine gun. The PT-91 has a crew of 3 including the commander, gunner, and driver. Poland had produced some 220 of the MBTs in 3 models, and it is unclear exactly how many have been donated to date and how many more Kyiv might expect. Yet, by some accounts, Poland could send its entire fleet to help Ukraine. The shortage of tanks that emerges in Poland after the transfer to Ukraine of more than 200 T-72 tanks and a certain number of PT-91 Twardy tanks, whose number I can't name, will be fully compensated, even with a surplus, said Krzysztof Platek, spokesman of the Armaments Agency of the Ministry of Defense of Poland. The transfer was confirmed by Andriy Yermak, spokesperson for the Office of the President of Ukraine, who tweeted, "Polish PT-91 Twardy MBTs are in Ukraine. A friend in need is a friend indeed." Poland had previously donated a batch of 240 modernized T-72 tanks to Ukraine along with more than 100 armored personnel carriers to help counter Russia's armed aggression. To replace its own armored fleet, Warsaw ordered 250 new Abrams MBTs and 116 older generation Abrams tanks from the United States, while it has also applied to lease 180 K2 tanks from South Korea. Even as Warsaw is seeking to aid Kyiv, it appears it wants to ensure it maintains the means to fend off an invasion from Russia. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.